Welcome back to Ride Geek, where we bring you the latest and greatest in the world of motorcycles. Today, we're diving deep into a machine that epitomizes bespoke craftsmanship and performance, the 2025 Arch Motorcycle KRGT-1. The KRGT-1 is a testament to meticulous design and engineering. Its chassis features a tubular steel frame complemented by CNC machined aluminum subframes and fuel cells, creating a seamless blend of strength and aesthetic appeal. The bike's aggressive stance is accentuated by 19-inch front and 18-inch rear BST carbon fiber 5-spoke wheels, paired with Michelin Commander 2 tires measuring 120/70-19 at the front and a robust 240/40-18 at the rear. Every curve and contour of the KRGT-1 speaks to its handcrafted nature, ensuring that each unit is not just a motorcycle but a work of art. At the heart of the KRGT-1 lies a formidable 124 cubic inch 2032cc S&S Cycle T124 45-degree downdraft fuel-injected V-twin engine. This powerhouse delivers an impressive 115.3 pound-feet of torque to the rear wheel, ensuring exhilarating acceleration and a thrilling ride. The proprietary 6-speed drivetrain, featuring a compact high-torque mainshaft and dry clutch, offers smooth and responsive gear shifts, allowing riders to harness the engine's full potential. The KRGT-1 is equipped with state-of-the-art features that enhance both performance and safety. The fully adjustable Arch Öhlins FGRT series front fork and Arch Öhlins rear shock with hydraulic pre-load adjustment ensure a tailored and comfortable ride across various terrains. Braking is handled by dual ISR 6-piston monoblock radial mount calipers with floating dampened discs at the front and a single ISR 4-piston monoblock radial mount caliper with a semi-floating disc at the rear, all managed by a Bosch ABS system for optimal stopping power. The bike also boasts a digital display and LED headlamp, merging classic cruiser aesthetics with modern technology. Safety is paramount in the KRGT-1's design. The inclusion of a Bosch ABS system ensures controlled braking even under sudden or adverse conditions. The bike's robust frame and high-quality suspension components provide stability and handling precision, reducing rider fatigue and enhancing overall safety during long rides. The Arch KRGT-1 comes with a premium price tag of approximately $85,000. While this positions it in the upper echelon of the motorcycle market, the investment reflects the bespoke nature of the bike. Each KRGT-1 is handcrafted with meticulous attention to detail, offering riders not just a machine but a highly personalized experience. So, is the 2025 Arch KRGT-1 worth it? If you're looking for a motorcycle that delivers high-performance cruising, premium craftsmanship, and exclusivity, then this is a bike that demands attention. It's not just about riding, it's about making a statement. Let us know in the comments what you think about this stunning machine. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more in-depth motorcycle reviews. Thanks for watching Ride Geek.